The Jamaica Defense Force is coming under fire for the killing of a disabled woman in Augustown, St. Andrew. Now, Kirkwright visited the community and now reports.
Susan Bogle was shot in her house sometime after 1 in the afternoon, allegedly by soldiers whom we were told were pursuing a group of men. We stopped at Miss Bogle's house along Augustown Road, where family members showed us impressions from the soldiers' bullets.
I heard that when she got the first shot, she was crying out. Neighbors heard her crying, and they give her 2 more. And she died in the house. She was in her bed, she was sleeping. She wrapped up in a sheet, because that's how she sleep. She wrapped up with sheet, and they killed her right there.
Keisha Bogle Small was not in the community when her sister was shot, but she said she arrived later and was told that the soldiers took a while before taking her sister to the hospital.
I heard that the shot starts firing at about in the 1 o'clock bells, and they took her in the 3 o'clock bells. So she was up by the house 2 hours after she died. And they wrapped her in a tarpaulin and put her in the van and took her away.
Who knows that this is true? They're up in a tarpaulin.
Residents saw.
Mrs. Small says the soldiers created a path through the fence at the yard where they left with her sister.
They kicked out a fence, because I went on the scene and see that the fence was kicked out, and they took her to a fence and took her another route and drove over with her.
This fence is a zinc fence?
Zinc fence, yeah.
People of Augustown knew Susan Bogle very well. She wasn't a vocal person, but the community says she was feisty but mannerly.
Susan, she was a fun-loving person. She doesn't like crowds. She's very easygoing, very relaxed, very humbled. Disabled in a sense where she have, well, I'll call it phobia. Like, so she can't do the basic reach. So she can't reach, she can't write, but she can cook, she can wash, she can clean, she can speak for herself.
Indicom is now trying to bring some clarity to how the incident truly unfolded. But until then, the family believes the soldier acted unprofessionally and lacked good judgment.
Because when you step in the yard, you must can see say it's a woman lay down in the bed. You understand me? You must can see say it's a woman. You fire the first shot. The door wide open and you fire the shot. So when you fire the shot now, you come back and you get 2 more, and then you tear down the back of the fence and carry through it. And ball out, say a shootout.
Based on what I heard, she received the first shot in her leg and she screamed out because the neighbors close by could hear her scream.
There has been persistent violence in the Augustown community in recent times.
We have not had a break, let me just say it that way, in terms of the upsurge in violence and gunfire that has been taking place here in Augustown. The truth be told is that there are measures that can be adopted. Whether or not there's the resources to get that done, that remains to be discussed with the security forces.
Kirkwright, TVJ News.